guys, so today we're going to be doing a really simple Christmas type of look using the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we're also going to be adding in a little bit of the E.L.F liquid gold shadow as well, just to have a little bit more of a pop of color. So if this is something you're interested in, go ahead and stay tuned for that Get Ready With Me, and hopefully you will try out this look. Alright, so first of all, I'm just going to go ahead and take some Scotch tape, place it right under my eyes here, and point it out towards my eyebrow. And now we're just going to go ahead and use the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia. I haven't used this a lot in videos, so I decided to go ahead and do a Christmassy type of look with this palette. So with a fluffy brush, I'm just going to use a brush from Moda, and it is the BMX430 crease brush. I'm going to go into the color Burnt Orange. I'm going to go right into the crease with that. Right to the end of where the tape is as well. You don't have to be too careful with it because the tape is kind of helping you guide where the line's going to be, so you can go as crazy as you want to. Taking it up above my eye socket bone there as well. Alright, so now that that's on, I'm going to go ahead and go in with a different brush. It's going to be the M507 from Morphe. It is a small, precise brush. And I'm going to go into the color Sienna right here. Just rolling my brush on there so I don't get too much. I'm going to go right into the crease where the eye socket is there. And pull it out here as well. So in like circular motions. And then bring it into the crease. I'm also going to bring that color down into the into a V motion as well. And bring it on the other side as well, into the inner corner of my eye. Just like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and go into another brush from Morphe. This is the M330 from Morphe. It's kind of a tapered but really soft blended brush. I'm going to go into the color Rustic, just here. I'm going to just rub it right here on the corner of my eye. The next color I'm going to take is Mulberry, which is going to be that Christmassy reddy color there. And I'm going to just take it back on my Moda brush. Take just a little bit of that there. I'm going to start adding it here to the outer V in just really small circular motions. Once you got both eyes looking the same, then I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. This is from E.L.F. It's the Flawless Concealer Brush. I use it to blend out my eyes because it's a really nice big brush. So it gets a big portion of my eye there, which I really like. Alright, so now that we've got that, I'm going to go ahead and take a small brush from Morphe, which is going to be the M124. Very tiny little brush. It's like a flat brush. I'm going to go ahead and go into some concealer, put some on my hand here. And I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to attempt to do a cut crease. So grab some concealer. And then on the corners there, I'm just going to take my finger and just pat that in there. Same brush, I'm going to just go right into the color Bronze. I'm going to place that all over the lid. You just want to pat it in there. After you get all the color you want in there, then you can go through and you can kind of smooth it out with your brush. That's pretty much how you want it to look. I'm going to go ahead and take the tape off real quick. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a fluffy brush, go back into Burnt Orange just a little bit, and just kind of buff these out. And I'm going to take that small brush from Morphe, the M507, go back into Mulberry, and start adding color there. Take our big fluffy brush, go through and just blend those out. small brush again with the mulberry still on there. Just kind of adding some here up top, but not adding any color, just what remained on the brush. So I kind of wanted more of a pop to the eye, so what I'm going to do is just grab this E.L.F. liquid eyeshadow, and it is in the color Liquid Gold. I'm going to just open it up. I'm going to take my small brush that I used to apply the shimmer and just apply some of that on there, and let's go ahead and just pat that on there. Let's see. There we go. That's what I wanted. More of an impact there. All right, now that we got this portion of the eyes done, I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation on, do my brows, and I'll be right back. All right, now that I got most of my face on, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Makeup Geek eyeliner in the color Plumera. It's like a reddish color. I'm going to put that on my waterline. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a small shader brush like the one from Bodyograph Pro, and it's just a flat shader brush. I'm gonna go ahead and go into the color Sienna, which is going to be this one. Grab it on the tip of the brush, and I'm going to blend that liner out. Then I'm going to go in with Mulberry, just a little bit, and blend that out as well. Go into Tempera, highlight the brow bone. Take a little bit of glistening, which is going to be this color here. I'll put that right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes real quick. Then I'll just go ahead and take my eyelash curler and curl my eyelashes. Now, if you want, you can easily wear falsies. I won't be wearing falsies today. Then I'm going to take my Better Than Sex mascara, my favorite mascara, and just basically really coat the lashes with this. For lips, I'm going to go ahead and use Campfire from Dose of Colors. And I'm going to take another color from Dose of Colors and top it off because this is a little bright. Truffle as well. Just to lighten this up. That is my holiday look using the Soft Glam from Anastasia Beverly Hills with a little bit of E.L.F. To assist with the little glimmer in the middle of the eye. So let me know if you guys have any questions about this palette, this look. Let me know if you guys will be doing this look, and if you do, go ahead and tag me on Instagram. That would be awesome. And I shall talk to you guys sometime within the week. Bye.